are confused what is voltage or what is potential difference, then watch the video. Voltage or potential difference are just the same things. Voltage is one of the most fundamental parameters associated with electrical or electronic circuit. The operating voltage of an equipment is very important. It is necessary to connect electrical and electronics item to the correct voltage. Connected a 240 volt light bulb to a 12 volt DC battery, it will not light up. But connected a small 5 volt light bulb to a 240 volt supply, then it will consume too much of current and it will burn up. On the top of the equipment, the voltage level is always mentioned. If incorrect voltage is present, then it may give an indication of the reason for the malfunction. For those and many reasons, electrical voltage is a key parameter. Now, the voltage is what makes electrical charges move. It is the push that causes charges to move in a wire or other electrical conductor. Voltage can cause charges to move, and since moving charge is current, voltage can cause a current flow. I will discuss about current briefly in the next video. Electrical potential difference is the truly scientific term but is commonly called voltage. Voltage is also called in some circumstances electromotive force or E.M.F. Electrical potential difference is the difference of potential between 2 points. The 2 points are the positive and negative end of a battery, or between the positive wire and the ground wire. In everyday use in household electricity in India, the voltage is 240 volt AC. The unit of potential difference or voltage is volt. 1 volt is equal to 1 joule per coulomb. The potential difference across 2 points in a circuit is 1 volt. If 1 joule of work is done in moving 1 coulomb of charge from one point to the other. Please note that voltage and volt are two different things. Volt is a unit by which we measure something. Both electrical potential and voltage are things we measure, and the volt is the unit of measure for both. The unit symbol for volt is written with a capital letter V. There are two types of voltage, DC voltage and AC voltage. The DC voltage always has same polarity, positive and negative, such as a battery. The AC voltage alternates between phase and neutral. For example, the voltage for the wall socket changes the polarity 50 times per second in India. DC voltage can be stored in a battery, but AC voltage cannot be stored. I hope you understand what is voltage.